How to make your woman reveal every secret you want to know. Make her really very, very vulnerable. Make her share those things she doesn't want to share with you. Are you with a woman that feels difficult sharing her life with you? Being vulnerable with you. These are just the things you need to do. In case you've not been doing them, after watching this video, start practicing it. It helps your woman to really relax, share, tell you most of the things she doesn't feel safe sharing with you. This is how to get her to feel safe and say those things that are very hard for her to say. Not until your woman is vulnerable, you won't get the better version of her. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Number one, learn to share small details about yourself. Just small. Don't over talk. Don't overshare. Just small details about yourself. During a conversation, something happened. So, oh, this thing, oh, it usually happened to me. It has happened to me once in a while. Maybe you guys started or you saw something. She brought up something. Just say small something you've noticed about that thing, or about men in general, or has happened to someone you know. Do not go into deep details, just small, like icing on the cake. So when you are the type of person that shares small details about yourself, because most men make the mistake. If you really want her to be vulnerable, you want to tell her everything about yourself, just small details. Let her long to hear more, to know more. In fact, when that conversation becomes too interesting, hold it back. Let her be the one to ask you, oh, this thing happened, this thing happened. And most times she's asking to inquire. And you know she's really interested. Pause and tell her, okay, you continue the conversation later, that you need to take care of something. So that she will be eager to call you to hear from you, because that conversation, she really want to hear more of it. So when she call, if she asks, you say, oh yes, this is what happened, and give her small details again. Let her have something she will always want to come back to. Then give her the funny part of it that can make her, you will laugh, she will laugh. You just use it to maybe crack a little joke here and there. Then you now go back to something else. Oh, how are you doing? How do you do? How is work? You see, most of the time she sees that she needs more of you, to hear more. Do not hold, like most times you want to say, okay, because Pearl Solution has said it, so let me not talk, let me not say what I want to say. Say what you want to say, but do not go into details. You get, don't go deep. Just give it like a surface level, but then the most interesting part of it, say it. So she will feel interested, she will want to come back. Then number two, use her name whenever you're having conversation with her. Call her by her name. Let's say her name is Blessing. You're talking, maybe you used to call her Love. You used to call her whatever pet name you used to call her. But most times, especially when you guys are having conversation, you know that this conversation is interesting, or you want to pass a serious and genuine message. Not that you guys are having misunderstanding. Good conversation. Or you're joking, you're laughing. That mood, you know she's excited, you too, you're excited. Call her by her name. This one resonates with her because you used her name. She will want to feel relaxed. She will want to feel, oh, he knows me in totality. This actually brings out the vulnerability in your woman. Oh, you're having conversation, you say, a blessing. You said this thing happened the last time. She'll be like, yes. Or you say, bleh, my babe. You said this thing happened the last time. She'll be like, oh, yes. Most women respond better. They feel your depths if you call them by name. they feel there are more of them they need to release and they want you to see. So you call them by, there's nothing too special. You say, what is special about their name? Yes, do not use her name all the time, once in a while. And the day you use it, she can't even sleep. She will remember that conversation you guys have. She will want more of it. And the more she wants more of it, the more open she will want to be to you. Then the third one, when you're having conversation with her, mirror her attitude, mirror her behavior. If she's leaning forward, lean forward. If she's crossing her hands like this, cross your hand. Most of the things she's doing, do. Pay keen attention to her, even if it is on video call. Like people in a long distance relationship. She's leaning forward like this, do it. Most of the time she wants to see that you're interested in whatever she's saying. Those times you mirror her, you mirror her behavior. She's seeing it like this guy is keen and interested in whatever I am saying. This helps her to actually open up. This helps her to be free. This helps her to share most of the things she feels she can share with you. Then the fourth, if you ask her deep question, do not interrupt her. Once you ask deep question, keep her quiet. Let her give you response. Sometimes you say, last time we spoke, you said your boss did this and that. How true is that? So when she starts talking, just keep listening. Immediately you ask, don't go in, and what that happened? Did you do this? Did you do that? Once you ask her that question, allow her, just be quiet. Listen. So because you're quiet, she will be triggered to say even most of the things you've not heard before. Or you said you went to that market with your friend and this happened, that happened. Just keep quiet. Once you want to ask your woman deep questions, make sure when you ask it, do not say, that is why you did this, that is why you did that, it that happened like this. Just keep quiet. Because you're quiet, it helps her. She will want to look for means to share, to tell you things. Oh, yeah, is that so? You will just keep paying attention. Just keep paying attention. She will pour her mind out. Now, when she is already done pouring her mind out, she has told you everything that happened, where she went to, how they went there. So, this is you actually allowing her to really be vulnerable, to tell you things without you really interfering or saying anything. Then, when you guys have conversation, make her know that you are understanding her rather than trying to argue things out with her. Just agree, even if you know that thing is something you don't buy, you don't want, but then just agreeing, then you now add your own contribution. Okay, is that how it happened? Okay, I wish like this is like this or it's like this, but it's fine. Let her feel you understand her first. So if you are the type that always want to throw tantrums, you want to always make her feel, oh no, she's not right, she will feel the need to withdraw. She will not want to share. But if she feels you listened to her, you understood her, then you now dropped your own 2 cents, that is a woman that feels she will be seen, she will be heard. So because of that, she started releasing herself to be vulnerable. I never said accept everything she's saying that is true, but try to understand her own point of view. Everything is not quarrel, everything is not fight. Calmly, do not say, you're wrong when she's saying it. Just listen to her when she's done. Then you said, okay, that is okay, but this is how I feel. This is how I feel. Calmly and respectfully. And if you really If she said, okay, she wants something, or this is how I want it to be done, this is how I want it to be done, okay. If that is not how you want it to be done, agree with her first. Then you will now assert your own. You will now put your foot down respectfully and calmly that this is how you want it to be done. But her own way is also okay. But if you guys will do it like this, it's better. That is how you want it. So if she said, okay, what about what she said? She said, yes, that idea is fine, but let's try it like this first. She feels seen, she feels carried away. Most times they are saying something to you. Most times you're quick to shut them up. You're quick to tell them no, no, you cannot be like that. Understand her first. Then if you understand her, make sure she feels okay. At least you listen to her. You feel she's not talking nonsense, she's not talking rubbish. But then this is how you want it. She will respect you. This is why most time they want to argue, they want to always have their way, because you don't know how to do these things. You don't know how to make them vulnerable, and you don't know how to make them listen to you. Are you going to try this? Have you been trying it? Have you been practicing it? How is it going? How is it working? Is your woman vulnerable? Try this and make her really vulnerable. A woman that is vulnerable is a woman that will really understand and love you deeply. So do it. It's going to work like magic. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Don't forget to share, like, and drop your thought what you think about this video. This is Spell Solution.